Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma-Abuaje, has been justifying the $150 charge for the compulsory antigen test for air passengers arriving in the country. Speaking at the Ministry of Information press briefing, Dr. Kuma-Abuaje explained that the quest for accurate COVID-19 test results accounted for the charges.
Let me explain to you that where people are using PCR and they are charging, I hear Egypt is $30, some are $75. You need to go to your hotel for a day or two to wait for your results. And so you have to put all that in the cost. And for someone, a new equipment like that, you expect that the cost build-up is not going to be easy. But even in that, you realize that it's still relatively cheap. I'll give you an example. Someone wants to know how many people were tested on the first day. We had about 217 or so from 3 flights that came in. There was a group that had even given me a letter requesting that as for them, they have booked for quarantine. They want to go into quarantine. But when they got there, we realized that a significant number of them had done their PCR on arrival. They opted to wait and go back and do the lab, the antigen test, or the virus, which is still a virus test, so that they can go home. Because you can look at the cost benefit. That is really not as exorbitant. So that, and we've also not had any significant protest from anybody who feels that the cost is expensive. So the cost is more about the value of what we are providing at top speed and high quality, sensitive result that gives you what we all expect. Because the ultimate goal for the country is to ensure that we don't import any new virus into that. All our problems started because everything that came here was imported and it gave us a lot of problems. So that is what it is. If you ask a passenger, he's talking about when he got down to when he got out. You fill your declaration form, you go and pay, go and do the test. The test itself takes, once the sample is put in the machine, it takes maximum 12 minutes. But you need to talk about that, including going for your results. And so those who said they spend 30 minutes, that's very, very short, I can assure you, because they have several steps that you have to go through, including going through Port Health to get clear, because they check your, they make sure that